Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 launch globally at MWC. One of its main highlights is the revamped camera setup, with the star of the show being the 200MP periscope telephoto. It also sports a larger battery than its predecessor, though the Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes in classic black, silver, pine green, and white color options. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 6.73-inch 2K LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of 3200 nits, with 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and HDR10+. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Running on Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 and Android 15, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra keeps the Leica Tune quad camera system, a 50MP main camera with a 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, 50MP ultrawide, 50MP telephoto camera with 3x, and 200MP periscope telephoto camera, 32-megapixel OmniVision OV32B sensor selfies. Chinese model packs a 6000 mAh battery. The global unit has a smaller 5410 mAh and supports 90W wired fast charging and 80W wireless fast charging. Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 16/512GB model is €1,500. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.